Here again, I'm Esther from IEMAI 3D. Today I will introduce our high-temperature 3D printer, Magic HT Max, with a large printing volume. Its printing area in XY direction is 500 square millimeters. The printing height can reach 700 millimeters. The printer height is a modular design with individual door extruder that can reach 500 degrees Celsius. The heating bed can reach 200 degrees Celsius. The chamber can reach 150 degrees Celsius. And the printing chamber is enclosed, which can prevent the prints from warping and layered during printing. On its face, you can see an emergency stop button and a 7-inch touchscreen that can use different languages. And some indicator lights can show their water status. There is a moisture cabinet under it, and the filament can be inside it for dehumidification. And it can hold more than 20 rolls of filament. The filament cabinet on its side also has the function of dehumidification. If we turn on the dehumidification function when printing, then there will be no air bubbles in the print. We can choose Magic HT Max when printing some high-performance, large-size printing part. And the materials can choose PIC, PIKE, PEI, Atom, PPSU, and so on. If you want to know more about our machine, follow and prevent us